Okay, I'm going to show you today how to fix a broken either eyeshadow or blush palette. As you can see, it's pretty much ruined. If I was going, I couldn't like take this anywhere and be able to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this can be repaired. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your contents that are spilled everywhere and you want to get it all into a centralized location. So I am going to put it all in a little bowl, and I'm going to try to preserve as much of it as I can. And we're going to try to shake off the loose stuff. There we go. There's a whole bunch of it in there. I'm going to actually pop out this container. There is a way to pop it out with this product. So this was probably either dropped or knocked around in maybe when I was packing it or something like that, possibly, or got hit up against something. So I'm going to try to get out all the product and get it all, because you don't want to, you're not going to want to build on top of existing product. You're going to want it all together to be one solid deal here. So get it all out, because we're going to put this eventually back in this pan once we fix everything. And then try to get everything out of the corners, hopefully without messing up the other two. We'll do our best here. And then we're going to probably just wipe out the rest of it with a paper towel. Okay, so now you can see. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to crush everything up as finely as we can crush it. And I'm just using like a little, this is actually the back end of a tweezer. Just a tool that I can use. You can use a knife or a little spoon or whatever you have. Just try to crush everything up to a finely milled state so you don't have any lumps. And it can be a little messy, but you're going to save most of your product by doing this, okay? Sorry, this is the part that takes the longest. I should have already had it done, but I wanted you to see what it looked like in the container before I actually started the video or started doing the repair process. All right, we're going to jam it all up real good. Get it all nice and tiny. Just try to get the big lumps out. We can turn on a light here. Maybe not. I don't know if you guys are seeing anything I'm doing. Okay, so now that we got most of it crushed down, we're going to take our 70% isopropyl, anyway, 70% alcohol, rubbing alcohol, okay? We're just going to pour some in there. And you need to get enough in there where it will actually be able to mix up with the, and you're just going to mix it all in. And you're going to make like a little paste of your product. You turn it into a little paste. Okay. You see, get all the dry stuff out and make it all nice and pasty. And then you're gonna crush up as much as you can crush up. And then you're gonna pour it back into the pan. So there's the pan, and you're just gonna get it all back into your little pan. And try to get it all. You don't want to waste any product if you don't have to. And hopefully it won't tip over and spill. Now some people like to mix it up right in the pan, which is okay, but it just seems like it would just kind of be all over the place if you did that. So I wanted a little bit larger container so that I could mix it all in and it not kind of get everywhere else. And I can just kind of scoop it out. Get it into my pan. Try to get all your color. Remember, this is like 3 days supply right here of eyeshadow in this bucket still, in this little bowl still, or blush or whatever. You can actually this is probably 3 days worth right here. It's very super pigmented. Okay, all right, so we're gonna get as much, we'll say we got most of it, 90%. Anyway, we didn't have to throw any of it away. So now you're going to spread it out in your little tin. Just get it all nice and even if you can. Pack it all down, all nice and pretty. As best as you can. Get it all in the cracks. And then just kind of wipe off the edge with the edge of the tin, like that. And then pack it down. And then you're gonna let that dry. Okay, can you see that? You're gonna let that dry. When it dries, the alcohol will evaporate and you will have your blush. Well, it won't look perfect like that, but it will be all in one piece, which is what you want. You want it to be all in one piece. It might have a few little ridges and bumps, but it'll still be in one piece and you can still use it, okay? It will be usable. So just, you can save your stuff. You don't have to throw it away. If you break it, hopefully it'll be all the same color. If it's not in a whole bunch of different, mixed up with a whole bunch of different other colors. But there's a way to save it. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.